Hello guys, how are you? It's Lisa here and I have Aisha with me. Aisha, please say hello.
Hello guys.
Okay, so we are making a route for Pinner Test Center and we are just outside Pinner Test Center, and now we are moving off. We couldn't go into the Pinner Test Center because obviously it's Sunday and it's closed, and even if it was open we wouldn't go in. So which side do you want me to go?
Right side.
Okay, so if you're going right out of the test center, going right, you come to this point. Don't think it's a straight, so you can signal to the right hand side and make sure that you check to your left, nobody is coming, and then we move off. Okay, and because we have a school on our left here, it's a 20 speed limit road. And always remember to get back to your lane even if you're overtaking any parked vehicles. Okay. Soon this road is gonna change into the 30 speed limit zone. As you can see on your right hand side, we have a signboard, 30 speed limit, and it's 30 from here. But remember, always make sure that you check what kind of road it is, what kind of traffic you're facing. So I would say don't try to go 30, and especially not on this bit here. And Aisha?
Definitely.
Yeah, because now, for example, you can't see who's coming from the other side, so just get off the gas. That's the best way, and be careful. If anybody is coming from the other side, then you have better opportunity to stop quickly, to give way to them, because there's no way you can cross any traffic over here, any car.
And this road calls Tolkien Drive.
Okay.
And by the end of this road, we are turning right.
Okay, so we are turning right at the end of the road. And every time you're approaching the end of the road, like signal like around 4-5 car length before, and then get a little slow. And then change the gear when you are a car length away from the stopping line. So I have a car coming from the left hand side, and never rush in your test. So now it's completely free.
Normally it's not this much quiet.
Yeah, but this is Sunday morning and it's like 7:37. Sunday morning, we are spending our Sunday making these test routes. And as you can see, there is a pedestrian, but it's not a zebra crossing. So I just got off the gas.
On the roundabout, we are turning right, taking 4th exit.
So from the roundabout, taking the 4th exit, I'm gonna position my car to the right hand side, and then just off the gas, keep checking to the right, nobody is coming, then I just quickly move into the roundabout. So first exit on your left, second exit gone, third exit gone, and then quickly check my left mirror and moving over to the left with the signal. So on this road the speed limit is 30 because you cannot see any speed signs. That means guess 30.
Yes. And this is called Pinner Road. We will take second road on the left hand side.
Okay.
Which would be Ellendale Drive.
Okay. This one?
Yes.
So it's right there.
And on this road we will take second right.
Okay. So this is the first road, Valley Close, which is a dead end road. So you're not taking that one. You're taking the next one. And this is Lyndhurst Avenue.
Lyndhurst.
Okay. So we're taking this. Pigeon, move. Oh my God, it's so sunny. I'm sorry because we have to make videos like this early. The reason is obviously otherwise it's going to be too busy and we won't be able to make enough routes.
So on this road they can ask you for parkings, for possible stops.
Okay, pulling up on the left hand side and maneuvers. Yes.
mostly parallel parking.
Uh-huh.
So at the end of this road, we will turn right.
Okay. So now I check my middle mirror, my right mirror, and I signal right coming back to my lane, but positioning your car closer to the center line. So checking both sides. Okay, nobody's coming. I mean, I don't understand these pigeons. They're so stubborn. They just want to die. Look at that pigeon. He's crossing the road, literally walking on the road. Come on, honey, you can fly. Yep. That's another healthy person here. Walking in the morning. Seriously, it's gonna take a lot to make me walk or run. Run is impossible. Only if dogs are chasing me.
Okay, so this road calls Pinner Hill Road, and you can see there's a traffic light, and we will turn right off that traffic light.
Okay. And then we move into the middle, and if there is more traffic, then we stop in middle of the junction, because obviously we don't have the priority. The oncoming traffic have priority. So
on the roundabout, you can see there are twin roundabouts.
Yes.
Move on to the left-hand side.
okay, check left.
On the first roundabout, we're going ahead, and on the second roundabout, we will be turning left.
Okay, so you can see the arrows on the road. So if you're going first exit on the first roundabout, you position to the left, and if you're going first exit on the second roundabout, you're still positioning to the left.
So it's better to take the position early on the first
Yes.
roundabout.
But if you're taking the second exit from the second roundabout, position to the right hand side from the first roundabout
yes,
already.
that's right.
Yes.
And on these kind of roundabouts and on difficult situations, the examiner is gonna guide you. So don't worry about it, and you can ask and double check.
Yes, you can always ask them. Don't ask them about the speed limit.
Yeah.
Okay? Because that is not gonna be a good sign. I mean,
Yeah, you
Do I
can
carry
ask
on?
about the direction, not the instructions.
yes, exactly. You can ask about the direction, not the instruction. So, not the speed limit sign, or can I stop here, or something like that. Yeah.
And this road calls Cuckoo Hill.
Cuckoo.
You can see this road is very narrow. So, and the speed limit is 20 on this road, halfway 20 and halfway 30.
Yeah.
And shortly we will be turning left.
This one.
Yes.
So we turn left on this road, which is called High View. Okay.
So this road calls High View.
Okay. Okay, so we carry on ahead.
And there are possible chances on this road they will ask you for sat nav and possible emergency stop as well.
Okay. I had some maneuvers as well on this road. Yeah, like emergency stopping or parking or any. Yeah. Now we are approaching the end of the road,
We will turn right off the end.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So remember over here, make sure always use your stopping line to stop, because otherwise your view is not going to be clear. You won't be able to see who's coming from the left or right. first exit left. And it says slow. Means there's a reason why it says slow, because the road is so narrow.
Yeah, and this is called Bridge Street.
And we can see the bridge.
and
we can see a man in a blue t-shirt.
Yeah.
Very bright.
Over there you can see there is a car park. And on this car park,
On the right hand side.
Yeah. On the
How
right
do
hand
they know over there?
side. Over there by the man. Okay, they can ask you for a forward bay parking inside the park.
Yes. Forward or reverse or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. End of the road. So, where are we going?
Right.
Okay. So we signal right. I know where we are. No, boy, stay there. Okay.
He's creeping.
Okay.
And this is Marsh Road. And this is another high street.
Yes. And then there's a roundabout coming up soon, a small one.
Yes, and we are turning right.
Okay,
Second
so we are
exit.
turning right, second exit on this roundabout. Remember, whenever you're approaching a roundabout, slow down earlier, get to second gear instead of first. Check if nobody's coming. It's always easier to take your turn in second gear. Because otherwise you can just stop and go into gear 1 if somebody's coming.
Yeah. And this road is East Court Road. Go.
Okay. So from East Court Road, where do you want me to go?
Ahead.
Okay.
And on halfway of this road, it becomes Bridle Road.
Bridle Road.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. I never noticed that. Wow. See, it's so nice and empty at this point, like this time of the morning on a Sunday. It's so nice to make the routes because you finish the route so quickly. Obviously, the test lasts up to 35 to 40 minutes, and they're gonna, of course, ask you to pull up on the left several times, and they're gonna ask you for a maneuver as well. And plus, that time starts from the time when the examiner get out of the test center into the waiting room
Yeah.
to get you to sign the documents.
Yes. And we are approaching a mini roundabout.
Yes.
At the mini roundabout, we will take second exit.
Okay. And
Second
that
exit.
second exit is
Right.
ahead, on the a little bit on the right hand
Little
side.
bit of that.
So make sure if you're taking the second exit, you position your car to the right, and you can signal right because it's on the right. That's literally up to you. So like that. And if you don't signal, it's not a mistake. So don't worry about it.
And this road is Field End Road, and we are approaching 2 mini roundabouts now.
Yes.
On the first mini roundabout, we will turn right. We'll take the second exit.
Okay. A lot of people get confused here because they're like rushing to take the exit. But you know, this is what you should never do. You should never rush. Just go into second gear. Check, anybody coming? No. Let's go then.
and then on the second roundabout again, ahead, second exit.
Okay.
You can say ahead or right.
Ahead or right. What I prefer here, giving a signal to the right. You know why? Because people coming from the left, they get an idea that you're actually not turning to the left. Because being a learner on that side, you can literally feel it. Yeah.
This road calls High Road East Court.
And now, look, we have a cyclist in front of us. But can I see the road clearly? Yes, but now I was about to overtake, but then I saw the car coming. And it's not a good idea. And now I have a hill coming up. A bend coming up. So I'm not gonna overtake this cyclist at all.
And
Not
shortly
on a
we will be turning left in Catherine's Lane.
Okay, so there is no point.
Turn left.
Yeah. And I love the houses on this road.
Yeah, I know.
They're so pretty, mashallah.
And this road is very important because they like to take you on this road. And
Because it's narrow.
it's quite narrow, bendy
Yeah.
as well.
Bendy as well. You can get meeting situation.
And on this road they can ask you to pull up.
Yeah. Like now. Make sure you check as far as you can so you have an idea, you can plan. You need to have the time to plan.
At the end of this road we are turning right.
Okay. That means we are heading towards the test center now. To the stopping line, and I'm in first gear. The reason is because, can you see? If you can't see right now, but it's blocked on both sides. My view is restricted. That's why. So now
And we will turn left.
on the next road. Perfect. Mirror signal now. And as you can see, it's 20 speed limit. So remember, the 20 limit is also mostly gonna be on the road, and there will be signs on the side as well. 30 is the speed limit, which can be like there are maybe no signs.
In Pinner they are mostly 30. If it's not 30 then it's clearly written everywhere.
Yeah. So
Turn
now
right.
Turning right. So remember, when you're turning towards the test center, make sure you turn into your lane, then do a stopping right here, and then you can turn in towards the test center. And as you can see, we have our test center right there. I'm not gonna go completely into the test center now. The reason is, obviously there are houses and we don't want to disturb anybody on a Sunday morning.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's best not to do that because the test center is closed. So this was the route for Pinner. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and if you do, make sure give us a like, give us subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so
Yeah,
you
because
get
we are coming with more videos.
yes all the time, and for all the test center, different test centers in UK. And this is bye bye from me and Aisha. Okay, look after yourself. If you have a test coming up soon, good luck for your test. Make sure you check all our videos, and also we do early test bookings as well, so you can contact us. Our contact number is in the description box. So yes, do contact us. And then till then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.